Guys, in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to install Python. So for installing Python the prerequisites are you need a browser and a good connectivity speed. So you just need to type Python download. So the first official website of Python is ready and will be directly going to the downloads page. So according to your compatible version of your OS, mine is Windows, so Windows exe file will be coming. So if you just click on Python 3.8.0, the latest official version of 13th May 2020 is ready. So it is installing, it will be there in a bit. And if you are a Mac user, it will pop up the Mac compatible version, and if it doesn't, you have to just go to Mac OS X and latest Python 3 release, and the stable releases are the May 13 2020. So if 64-bit this allow the older versions of Python has made many new syntax things in Python this update. So my Python exe file is downloaded. So actually I've already installed Python in my laptop, so I'll be just making some fixes. So I'm modifying it, but in your computer it will be just installing it. So you grant the permission because it's a verified version of the real Python. So it is pre-compiling the standard library, and so it will be just hanging out in a bed. So we'll be waiting for this one. So now I'm canceling it for now, but in your PC, in the file explorer, when you will go to download, see here Python 3.8.3, and you have to just click on the Python 3.8.3 exe file, and just you will be headed towards your Python official page. So thanks for watching. I will be uploading this on the next playlist of Python tutorials. Till then, hang out at home, stay safe, and please go to our website devpro103.myportfolio.com. Thank you for watching. Bye.